Good morning from Bamyan again. So today I'm going to see a little school. So here we are. It was like rebuilt like 5 years ago or so because I was ruined with fighting, I believe. So here's a little courtyard. Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yeah.
Yes. They're very sparkly.
Yeah. Every morning I
Every
brush.
morning.
Yes.
Very good with his teeth brushing. It's so shy. Let's go see some shy children. They're all so excited. Hello. Hi. Hello.
سلام.
Salam. Salam.
علیکم سلام. بار شما خوبه؟ سلامته؟ بخیری؟
What are they teaching?
Math.
Math? They're all shocked. Look at the faces.
They don't have chairs, table.
No chairs or table?
Yeah.
No. Oh, they just...
Any one of them do not have the chairs.
No.
Chairs.
Is it all the classes?
Yeah. Five classes.
5 class.
5 class. Learning math. Okay. Bye.
خداحافظ میگه بای.
See another class here. Salam. How are you? Hi. Oh. Why are they all standing up? Oh.
No, it's respect
Okay.
for the teacher.
So cute. Do they speak English or no?
No.
No. Bye. Look at those faces. Oh, bless. No tables or chairs either. Hello.
Yes. My nephew.
Oh. Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Salam.
He's studying grade 1.
Salam. Salam. So cute. So how old are they?
He's 7.
7?
6 or
Okay.
8.
Bye. So that was just a quick visit to a little school here. Just a brief visit. Now we're going to a village, another village, to have some kind of milk rice, I think, or something. I'm not sure. I don't remember. So that's where we're off to now. So I just passed some kids walking. I missed them, but the school that we were just at, the kids walk all the way down this road, an hour and a half, to get to that school I was just at. I don't know if you see anymore. All these little villages. I don't see anymore. I'm gonna put my camera in before taken out by a wall. So we're trying to get up the mountain and we come to a roadblock, which is Salam. How are you? Which is a potato truck. Salam alaikum. Wow, that's a hard job. Oh, that's the last one. The last of the potatoes. Oh shit. Oops, that was close. They nearly took them out. Off they go. So we're at a garden. What's all this for?
Keep the potatoes.
What's underneath here? The potatoes?
Yeah. As I said, that we call it takal, yeah? For keeping the potato.
Oh, so I have a little orchard here. Nice. Oh, this is very pretty. Beautiful flowers. Wow, lots of apples. Oh, how serene and tranquil. All you can hear is the water. It's so cool here, temperature-wise. Whoa. Oh, you have fish. Whoa. Apples. Okay, yes, it's so beautiful. Cabbages. Ooh, I think we're going to eat an apple. Oh, and pears too, look. Pears. Apples and pears. Apples and pears. Apples and pears. Wow, these are big apples. What a place to have an orchard. Look at this. The pears and the view. Okay, so I have a lovely apple. And some pears. Have you got an apple?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had about 5 apples yesterday. Everybody eats lots of apples here.
You want to eat 5 apples today?
No, maybe I'll eat 5 apples today.
Yeah.
They're good. He picked some pears. Mmm, delicious looking. Thank you so much.
I'm also done eating, but I think it's delicious.
Yes?
Yeah.
You're not eating a pear before?
No, I eating before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From this garden, he didn't.
Oh,
Yeah.
from this garden. But it looks delicious.
Today is the first time I see it.
Ooh, it's a big day.
In this garden.
In this garden,
Yeah.
of course. Me too.
Yes.
It's a big day for us all in this garden.
Yes. Beautiful garden.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so serene and tranquil. It's like a Zen spa sort of place that you would come and sit. So this is where they store all potatoes for a couple of seasons. What does this mean? Is it like a government thing?
Yes, it's made by the government.
Oh.
This place.
Oh, this potato storage is by the government?
By the Ministry of Agriculture.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so that was a lovely apple orchard. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's a little apple orchard here in the middle of Bamyan on the way up the mountain. Off we head up to the village. So just as we thought we were getting up the mountain, it's the potato truck again. What happened? Oh, hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? You have big problem. I can't imagine driving one of these up with these roads. I don't know what they're trying to do. That rock is in the way. Problems. I'm sure they're used to this. Moving. And then some traction there. Rocks and boulders underneath here to fill in the ditch. See what happens. Yay, they made it. They made it till the next one. Bye. Bye bye. Good luck. Okay, so we've come as far as we can by car and now we have to walk. When there was all that bad flooding, there was bad flooding here, so it destroyed a lot. It destroyed the bridge. So we have to walk over here? Yeah. Me first? Me first? Yeah. Me first. I don't know how far of a walk it is, but that took for ages. Finally we got past the potato truck. Beautiful this is. Clean. So this is the way to the village. It's not easy in these parts. Can you imagine having to do this every day to go to school? Oh, so these are your cows, and you use them for milk?
Yeah, one is for milk.
Oh, so what do they?
That one is for work.
For working, they're working cows. So they work on the fields.
One that we use for milk, that's here.
Oh, that's the milk cow.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, there's a baby. Oh, how cute. Okay. So what do you use all this for?
Yeah, for burning.
For burning?
Yeah.
And that's from the cow?
Yeah.
It's cow shit?
Cow shit, yeah.
Yeah, they eat all the grass and it makes good fuel. And then they just dry it out and pat. So cow patties. Manure, to be correct. About cow shit. What is this, a toilet?
Yeah,
How did you get there? Where did you come from? I didn't see you come up here. Oh, so... Assalamu alaikum. Ah. Oh, so this is how you make the
Rice milk.
rice milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what is in it? Milk and rice. Milk and rice?
Yes.
Yes.
Milk and rice.
And sugar or no sugar?
Shakaran megan doktiyor, nan doktiyor, Mendozi. Mendozi
Salam.
shakar.
And who is this?
He's my brother wife. She is.
Okay, okay. Oh, look at that. Rice, milk. Bubbling away there. So they bring the water up from the river with the donkey.
Yeah.
And is it okay to drink that water?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
It's very well water.
It's very good water.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh,
Clean water.
it must be hard here in winter.
Yeah,
Yes.
It's very hard in the wind.
Imagine living here in the winter time when with the snow, and I don't know how you would do it. I'll have a look inside in a minute. So when they say like village, it's mainly like a family area. One sleeping baby and one room. So I'm in another room, in another home, in another village, having another cup of tea. So this room is again the main room, and 7 people sleep in here. But they're building a guest house. Yes, they're building a guest house for you.
Yeah.
Have my tea. So this is a kitchen here. Oh, thank you. So here's the hand washing bowl. You keep the potatoes in here?
No, that's for cooking place.
Oh, for cooking.
Yeah.
And this?
This is because of this.
For the bread? Like okay, they take this out. Just storage stuff. So this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. Yeah.
Wow.
We call this jack.
What is it?
We put the milk here.
Oh, okay, and churn it.
Yeah.
So right now you cook mainly outside?
Outside, yeah.
Yeah, this is for the winter?
This is for the winter. Make warm the room.
Oh, that makes the
well.
room warm. Okay, so that's for heating. There's the ceiling. Washing the dishes here.
Yeah.
No electricity.
Electricity. But we have one extra kitchen here.
Oh, you have an extra kitchen?
For the summer.
A summer kitchen?
Yeah, summer kitchen. Yeah. Summer kitchen is here. Yeah.
Let's see the summer
is
kitchen.
The way of the.
Oh, for the bread, for the oven? Oh, here's the summer kitchen. Okay. Oh, it's very neat and tidy. You won't use this now?
No, we use like right now here.
Oh, you do use it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so tidy. That's the summer kitchen. Oh, that looks delicious. Wow. It looks like just rice pudding. It looks very good. Milk and rice.
And oil.
And oil.
Oil is from the milk.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
That
So
is
it's
very delicious. oil.
it's like butter
Yeah,
oil.
yeah, butter oil. Yeah.
Butter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, that's the butter.
Butter.
Oil. Yeah.
Oh, now we're getting some. I don't remember this drink name. What's the juice called?
We call this golden life.
Golden Life.
And there is written.
Yeah, Golden Life.
Golden life. Yeah.
Golden Life. It's like Mountain Dew. Everybody likes some Golden Life, right?
Yeah.
It's very popular.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow, look at that. Listen to that bubbling. It smells so good.
This is the
butter. Wow.
She said that it take around 50 minutes.
50 minutes
50 minutes to cook. Yeah.
to cook it. And how many times do you have this? Every week or?
Normally we have not. In a month we will have once.
Once, so it's just like a treat, special.
Yeah. That is so special for.
Now she pours the butter in the middle.
Yeah.
Wow, it's sizzling. Wow. Look at that.
Right now it's
So hot. And it's normal. Everybody, you normally use butter? Always?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
For this, we normally use
Normal.
butter.
That looks absolutely delicious. We call it like rice pudding.
Rice pudding. Yeah.
Rice pudding.
Yeah, rice.
Okay, so we have to let it sit for 20 minutes till it cools enough till we can eat it. So wait 20 minutes. So here's the food, bread, and some Golden Life. I'm gonna try this. Now what's the name for it here?
Shir Berenj.
Shir Berenj.
Yeah.
Shir Berenj it's called here. So I'm gonna try it. I expected it to have sugar in it, no sugar.
Yeah.
That was the clarified butter. It's like rice pudding without the sugar. but it's creamy and delicious.
Yeah, sugar is coming.
Oh, sugar is coming?
Yeah,
Oh, you put sugar on it?
yeah.
Oh, why didn't you tell me? So you put sugar on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Some people do know this.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for the sugar. Okay, so now I have the sugar. Sprinkle some sugar on. And now I'm gonna try it with sugar. Now I have it with sugar. It's good. It's really good.
Yes.
I like it with the sugar better. You like it with sugar?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, it's really delicious with the sugar. Okay, so this is Uzair, and he's 4.
4 years.
4 years old, and he has a medical problem.
Medical problem.
What's exactly wrong with him?
He has lack of calcium, vitamin.
Yes.
Yeah, and he cannot walk. He cannot speak.
He can't speak, he can't walk.
And his voice is also weak.
He can't talk.
No,
No.
he cannot.
He can't see very well.
He cannot
Oh,
see
he
very
can't
well as
see.
well. Yeah. Doctor says that he should go to the India for cure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the only hope for this little boy is treatment in India or Pakistan, which he needs a passport first, which costs money. And then the treatment costs $3,000.
Yeah, 3 or 4.
3 or 4,000, which you'll never be able to.
Yeah.
So when I can get organized, I can start a GoFundMe for anyone that wants to help this little boy be a little boy and do what little boys do and be healthy and normal. It's so sad. He's only 4. So
Every member of this family is suffering from his sickness.
yes.
Yeah, because of carrying, because of making him.
It's a lot of work.
He has a lot of work for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least one person is necessary every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
This is the best time for his treatment.
Yeah.
If he gets older, the treatment will get harder.
Of course, yeah. So it's important that he gets treatment while he's still young. Otherwise, it'll become harder.
Harder, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be harder to treat him and everything. It would be really nice if anybody could help this little guy and this family who've been so kind to me and everything. Okay, so we had a lunch. Well, rice pudding. So now we're going for a walk around. So I'm just so... I can't believe the little boy. I'm so sad for him. So he's only 4, but he's like the size of a 2-year-old, and it's so sad. And they've got no help here. They can't do anything. Hey, thank you. Now I leave. You've been amazing for the last couple of days. He's shown me some amazing villages, met amazing people. Your family is all really so nice, so kind. Everybody's been so wonderful. If anybody comes to Bamyan and wants to see rural villages and everything, this is the guy to get in touch with.
I'm with you, yes. I'm ready.
He'll introduce you to his family, and you'll just have an amazing time. Something that you would never experience anywhere else. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Most welcome here in my village. Thank you so much to come with me.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Okay.